Problem number 2. Determine the dimensions of cylinder, brake thermal efficiency, and indicated mean effective pressure for the single cylinder 4-stroke diesel engine producing 100 kW of brake power. Engine runs at speed of 400 rpm. Brake mean effective pressure of 850 kPa. Brake specific fuel consumption of 0.335 kilograms per kilowatt-hour. The mechanical efficiency is 0.8 and stroke-to-bore ratio is 1.25. The calorific value of fuel may be taken as 43.5 megajoules per kilogram. Ang hinahanap natin is dimensions, diameter, at length. Hinahanap din yung thermal efficiency ng brake at yung mean effective pressure. Meron tayong given na number of cylinder 1. Ang ating engine ay 4-stroke. Ang brake power natin is 100 kilowatts. Ang engine speed natin is 400 rpm. Ang mean effective pressure ng brake natin is 850 kilopascal. Ang ating brake specific fuel consumption is ng brake natin is 0.335 kilograms per kilowatt-hour. Meron tayong mechanical efficiency na 0.8. Meron tayong stroke-to-bore ratio na 1.25. QH natin ay 43.5 megajoules per kilogram. Para makuha yung dimensions na dalawa, yung diameter at length, gagamitin natin yung volume displaced by d squared all over 4 times length times n times number of cylinder times number of piston action. At since meron tayong mean effective pressure ng brake at power ng brake, PMB, makukuha natin itong volume displaced. Substitute natin yung given 100 equals to 850 volume displaced. Volume displaced natin is equals to 100 0.1176 cubic meter per seconds. Substitute natin dito sa volume displaced 0.1176 equals to pi d squared all over 4. Una natin makukuha pala yung diameter. Sa substitute natin sa length is makukuha natin dito sa stroke to bore ratio na 1.25. Mangyayari is L equals to 1.25 times D. 1.25 times D times speed ng engine 400 RPM. Over 2 kasi ang ating stroke ay 4 stroke. 2 times 60 para ma-convert yung minute sa RPM into seconds. Number of cylinder is 1 times number of piston action is 1. Since hindi siya given, assume natin na 1. Makukuha natin yung diameter. Ang ating diameter is 0.3300 meter, or D is equals to 33 centimeter. Yan sagot natin para sa diameter. Sunod natin makukuha is yung length o yung stroke. Ito nga yung diameter, sa-substitute na naman natin dito para makuha natin yung length. 1.25 times 33. Length natin na makukuha is 41.25 centimeter. Nakuha na natin yung diameter at length. Ang susunod natin kukunin is yung thermal efficiency ng brake. Thermal efficiency is equals to power ng brake over mass flow rate ng fuel times QH. Hanapin din muna natin yung mass flow rate ng fuel sa dito, MFB is equals to mass flow rate ng fuel times P brake. Yan, substitute natin yung mga given. Mass flow rate ng MFB is equals to 0.335 equals to baligtad. Para makuha natin yung mass flow rate ng fuel is equals to mass MFB times PB. MFB natin is 0.335 times 100. MFB is equals to MFB 33.5 kilograms per hour. Yan. Makukuha na natin yung thermal efficiency ng brake. Thermal efficiency ng brake is ito sa baba. Ito. P brake is 100 kilojoules per seconds. Convert natin yung seconds into hours. Mass now fuel is 33.5 kilograms per hour times QH natin is 43.5 times 10 raised to 3 kilojoules per kilogram. Nakuha natin is thermal efficiency ng brake is 0.2470 times 100%. 24.7%. Sunod natin makukuha is yung PMI, mean effective pressure, since given ang ating mechanical efficiency, P brake over P indicated. Makukuha natin itong P indicated. Mechanical efficiency natin is 0.8 equals to P brake na 100 kilowatts over P indicated. P indicated natin ay P indicated natin ay 125 kilowatts. P indicated is equals to PMI times volume displaced. Since nakuha din natin yung volume displaced na 0.1173, yun yung isa-substitute natin. 125 equals to PMI times volume displaced na 0.1176. PMI natin is 125 equals to x times 0.1176. Ang nakuha natin is 1062.93 kilopascal. Ko-convert natin tong kilopascal into bar. 1 bar is equals to 100 kilopascal. Sagot natin is 10.63 kbar PMI. Yan, kompleto na ang ating sagot. Meron tayong diameter na 33 cm, length na 41.25 cm, thermal efficiency ng brake na 24.7%, indicated mean pressure na 10.63 bar, Yun po ang sagot natin para sa 2.